I am your Shaista teacher. I welcome you all in our today's mathematics learning session. Students, in previous class we have solved practice set 1.1 question number 1, which is based on coordinate of points and distances. In that we solve 8 sub questions. Now today I am going to teach you question number 2, which has 6 sub questions. Let's see question number 2. If the coordinate of A is x and B is y, then find distance of A to B. Here value of x and y are given. A represent x whereas B represent y. So students, let's solve all the 6 sub-questions of question number 2 one by one. Let's solve practice set 1.1 question number 2. Now here, if the coordinate of A is x and that of B is y, find distance of A comma B. Here we have to find the distance of A to B. A comma B, this distance we have to find. And now here, coordinate of A is x and B is y. That means this A is x and this y is B. Now here given value of x and y is here. So one by one we will solve. Now here question number 2 carries 6 sub-questions. So we will solve one by one. Sub-question 1 is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 7. So here we will write our first question, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 7. Now let's solve this question. Solution. So here x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 7. So first we have to write the given value, which letter represent x and which letter represent y. So here A representing x and B representing y. So here we will write the coordinate of A and B are x and y respectively. A is equal to x and B is equal to y. A represent x, or we can say x represent A, and B represent y, or we can say y represent B. Now here we will write after this A is equal to x, B is equal to y. Now x value is 1, that means A's value is 1 and B's value is 7. So here we will write we have x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 7. That means A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 7. X is equal to 1 means A is equal to 1. Y is equal to 7 means B is equal to 7. Now which value is greater? That value we will write first. That means 7 is greater than 1. So here we will write, we know that 7 is greater than 1. 7 is greater than 1. So we will write here 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1 is how much? 6. So here we will write distance of A comma B is equal to y minus x. Why y minus x? Because y is greater value. So y minus x we get here. Y minus x we get here. Yes. 7 minus 1, 6. So here distance of A comma B is equal to 6. Students, always remember the distance will always be positive. Okay. There is no negative number. Distance will always positive. There will no negative number. So jot down this line that distance always carry positive number. There is no negative number. Okay. While calculating, after getting answer, you will always get a positive number, no negative number. Is that clear? So here distance of A comma B is how much? 6. Distance of A comma B is equal to 6. So here in this way we finish sum number 1. Now let's solve sub question 2, that is x is equal to 6 and y is equal to minus 2. Now here sub question 2 says that x is equal to 6 and y is equal to minus 2. Sub question 2 is same like sub question 1, but the only difference is here y is equal to minus 2. Y is negative and x is positive. But in sub question 1, both x and y both are positive number. But in sub question 2, one is x is positive and y is negative. So students, let's solve sub question 2 here. X is equal to 6 and y is equal to minus 2. As I told you before that x represent A and y represent B. Now here x is 6 and y is minus 2. That means A is 6 and B is minus 2. So here we will write solution. The coordinate of A and B are x and y respectively. This statement is same for all. the coordinate of A and B are x and y respectively. Now here A is equal to x and B is equal to y. Same statement here we will write A is equal to x and B is equal to y. After this we know that here x is 6 and B is minus 2. A is 6 and B is minus 2. So here we will write, we have here x is equal to minus 6 and y is equal to minus 2. Is that clear? Now which number is greater, 6 or minus 2? But obviously 6 is greater than minus 2. Yes? So 6 is greater than minus 2. That means x is greater than minus 2. So here we will write, we know that 6 is greater than minus 2, and here distance of A comma B, that means x and y, here distance of A comma B is equal to x minus y. X and y distance, x minus y. Yes. So x value is 6. Here we will write 6 for x. We will put here 6, and here distance, for calculating distance we use here minus sign. Okay. For calculating distance we put here minus sign. And this y carries minus 2. So inside the bracket we will put here minus 2. Now as you know that same sign become plus. So minus minus become plus. So 6 plus 2 give us 8. 6 plus 2 give us 8. So that means distance of A to B. Distance of A comma B, or you can say distance of A to B is 8. So here sub question 2, after finding this we get here distance of A comma B is equal to 8. So students, in this way we finish sub question 1 and sub question 2. Now let's solve sub question 3. Sub question 3, that is x is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to 7. So let's solve sub question 3. Here x is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to 7. So as I told you before that A is x and y is b. A represent x and y represent b, or you can say x represent A or y represent b. Now here solution. So here we will write the coordinate of A and B. The coordinate of distance A and B is x and y. So here the coordinate of A and B are x and y respectively. Now here A is equal to x and B is equal to y. After this, A is equal to x and B is equal to y. Now here x is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to 7. X is negative and y is positive. As you know that 7 is greater than minus 3. 7 is greater than minus 3. So here we will write, we know that 7 is greater than minus 3. We know that 7 is greater than minus 3. So here we will subtract this two number. So distance of A comma B, distance of A comma B is equal to, here y is greater than x. So y minus x. Okay. Distance of A comma B is equal to y minus x, because y is greater than x. So y minus x gives us, yes, 7 minus 3. 7, this 7 is y, minus for distance, here this sign is for distance. We are calculating here distance. So here we will put minus sign. And here x value is minus 3. X is negative. So x is negative minus 3. And this is for distance. We are calculating here distance of A and B. So 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3. Inside the bracket we will put minus 3. Why? Because x value is minus 3. So as you know that same sign become plus. Same sign give us addition operation. So minus into minus give us addition operation. So 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 is 10. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So distance of A comma B is equal to 10. So students, after finding this distance of A comma B, we get here positive 10. So here distance of A comma B, where x is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to 7, distance of A to B is 10. So students, in this way we finish sub question 3. Now let's solve sub question 4. Sub question 4, x is equal to minus 4 and y is equal to minus 5. Now here both the value is negative. X is negative as well as y is also negative. Both the value is negative. X is -4 and y is -5. Now here we have to find the same thing, distance of a comma b. Distance of a comma b here we have to find. So here we will write sub question 4. X is equal to -4 and y is equal to -5. Yes. After this we will put here, second step is our solution. Then as you know that the coordinate of A and B, the coordinate of A and B are X and Y. The coordinate of A and B are X and Y respectively. So here we will write the same statement. The coordinate of A and B are X and Y respectively. And as you know that A is X and Y is B. A represent X and Y represent B. Okay. A represent X and B represent Y. So here we will write A is equal to X and Y is equal to A is equal to X and B is equal to Y. After this, we have X is equal to -4. In our question, we know that X is equal to -4 and Y is equal to -5. So here we will write we have X is equal to -4 and Y is equal to -5. This value we have. After this, yes. Now which number is greater? -4 and -5. Here both the sign are negative. X is also negative and Y is also negative. As I told you before, माइनस में जो नंबर छोटा होता है वही नंबर बड़ा होता है. While you are subtracting, here whenever whenever two numbers carry negative sign, as you see here, -4 and -5. Now which number is greater? -4 is greater. The smaller number is greater whenever the numbers carry negative sign. Is that clear? Now here -4 as well as -5. Here both the number carry negative sign. 4 and 5. Both the number carry negative sign. So here -4 is smaller number. That means that -4 is greater number compared to -5. So here we will write, we know that -4 is greater than -5. Here X is greater than Y. So here we will put distance of A comma B is equal to X minus Y. Why? Because X is greater than Y. Is that clear? X is -4 and Y is -5. So here we will write distance of A comma B is equal to X minus Y. So here X value is -4 and Y value is -5. Here we will use 3 minus sign. For X we will put here -4 and for Y we will put here -5, and here one more minus sign we will include, that is distance minus sign. So -4, this sign is for calculating distance and this -5 is from Y. Okay. Now here -4. This minus become plus. So here -4 and minus into minus give us plus. So minus into minus give us plus. So 4 -4 plus 5. So as you know that minus into plus give us minus plus minus. So here 5 minus 4 give us 1. 5 minus 4 give us 1, and that one is positive 1. Why? Because -4 is smaller than this positive 5. Positive 5 is a greater number. Is that clear? Minus into minus become plus. So plus 5 is greater than -4. So after subtracting 5 minus 4, we get here positive 1, that is 1. Distance of A comma B is equal to 1. As I told you before, the distance will, after calculating distance, we will always get a positive number. We will not get here negative number. Is that clear? After finding distance, we get positive number, no negative number. Is that clear? So distance of A comma B is equal to 1. So students, in this way we finish sum number 4. That is X is equal to -4 and Y is equal to -5. So distance of A comma B is equal to positive 1. So students, now let's solve sub question 5. Sub question 5, X is equal to -3 and Y is equal to -6. Students, do you know sub-question 5 is exactly similar as sub-question 4. Here the same thing is repeating. X is equal to -3 and y is equal to -6. Both the coordinate carry negative number. Same like sub-question 4. Same technique, same trick we will apply in this sub-question 5. Now here uh, uh, we will write this sub-question 5 here. X is equal to -3 and y is equal to -6. Now solution. As I told you before, first we have to write here statement. What is that statement? The coordinate of A and B are x and y respectively. So here we will write the same statement. The coordinate of A and B are x and y respectively. Now, as I told you before that A is x and B is y. That means A is equal to x and B is equal to y. That we have to write here. A is equal to x and B is equal to y. Now here x value is -3 and y value is -6. So here we will put the value of x and y. So we have x is equal to -3 and y is equal to -6. After this, now which number is greater, -3 or -6? As I told you before, माइनस में जो नंबर स्मॉलर होते हैं वही नंबर ग्रेटर होते हैं compared to other negative number. Now here -3 and -6. So which number is greater, -3 or -6? You are right, -3 is greater than -6. Why? Because both the number carry negative number. Okay. So here -3 is greater than -6. So we know that -3 is greater than -6. That means x is greater than y. So here we will write distance of A comma B. We are finding distance of A comma B. So here we will put distance of A comma B is equal to x minus y. After that, x is -3 and y is -6. But we are calculating distance. For this distance, we have to put here minus sign. So distance of A comma B is equal to x is how much? -3 and y is how much? -6. This y we will put inside the bracket. Okay, and this is minus sign to calculate the distance. So here -3. Now minus into minus. This bracket represent multiplication. So minus into minus give us positive number. Minus into minus plus. So -3 plus 6. -3 plus 6. So which operation we will use here? Minus into plus? Minus, yes, minus into plus. -3 plus 6. Do the calculation, yes. 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. So here positive 3. No negative number we will put here. No negative sign we will put here. Why? Because this 6 is greater than -3. This 6 carry plus sign and this 3 carry minus sign. That means this 6 is greater than -3. So 3 is a positive number. So after calculating here distance of A to B, A comma B is 3. Is that clear? And this 3 is a positive number. Distance will always come in positive number. Is that clear? So here distance of A comma B, sub question 5, x is equal to -3, y is equal to -6, where distance of A to B is 3. So students, in this way we finish sum number 5, that is distance of A to B is equal to 3. Now students, let's solve last sub question, that is sub question 6. Now here x is equal to 4 and y is equal to -8. Students, do you know sub question 6 is same like sub question 2. It is exactly similar with sub question 2. See here sub question 6 and sub question 2. X is equal to 4, that means x is positive number and y is equal to -8. X is positive and y is negative. Same condition we will apply here. So here sub question 6, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to -8. Now let's start our sums with solution. Now the coordinate, as I told you before, the same statement we will write here. The coordinate of A and B are x and y respectively. So same statement, the coordinate of A and B, because we are calculating here distance of A comma B, A to B. We are finding here A to B, where A is X and B is Y. So here the coordinate of A and B are X and Y respectively. We know that A is X and B is Y. So same, we will put here A is X and B is equal to Y. We have here given value of X is 4 and Y is equal to minus 8. So we will put here A is equal to 4 and Y is equal to minus 8. So we have X is equal to 4 and Y is equal to minus 8. X is equal to 4. Okay. And Y is equal to minus 8. Now here X is positive number and Y is negative number. So which number is greater, positive number or negative number? But obvious, positive number is greater than negative number. So we will write here 4 is greater than minus 8. Minus 8 is a negative number. That means it is a smaller number. So 4 is greater than minus 8. We know that. Now distance of A comma B. Distance of A comma B is equal to X minus Y. X minus Y. Greater number minus smaller number. Here 4 is greater. Positive 4 is greater than negative 8. So here we will put distance of A comma B is equal to X minus Y. Is that clear? Now here X is positive 4. X is 4 and Y is minus 8. Negative. Okay. And this sign is for calculating distance. So here we will put X is 4 minus for calculating distance, and minus 8 is for Y. So here minus 8 is for Y. As I told you before, this bracket represent multiplication. So minus into minus, minus into minus, plus. So 4 plus 8 give us 12. And now here, therefore, distance of A to B is equal to 12. Is that clear? So here, sub question 6, X is equal to 4 and Y is equal to minus 8. And after calculating here distance of A to B while applying this X and Y coordinate value, so here we get answer here 12. Distance of A to B is 12.
Students, today we discussed and solved practice set 1.1 question number 2, which has 6 sub-questions. Now your task is to solve all the 6 sub-questions in your notebook. After solving sums, you have to appear for the online test. Link for the online test, which is mentioned in this video description box. Click on that link and appear for the online test. This online test is based on basic concept in geometry, the topic which I taught you till now. So students, enjoy learning, stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you for watching my video.